Welcome guys, so today I am with Lenovo HT18 earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android phone. So at the first you have to go for the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone, select to pair new device and then simply open the case with your earbuds, remove them from the case. As you can see, the right earbud is blinking on the blue and the red, and it means that we are successfully in the pairing mode. So you have to select HT18 from the list, accept pairing request, and as you can see, that's all. Voila, that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.